Okay, friends, how are you? First, let me introduce myself. My name is Vincentus Abhisa Danes Farah. You can call me Danes. I'm from Stipram. I'm in second A class, and now I'm in second semester. So today we're gonna study together about time, time in English language actually. Yeah, I know we all already study English from elementary, and we all already study about time too. But today I want to make you all remember about the time, and I want to speak about time. So let's go. Okay, speak up about time. I think time is something important in our life because every time, everywhere we want to do our activity, we always need and side by side with time. Like when we want to do our activity, we always need time to measure our activity, like how long we do it and etc. So I think it's important to us to know about time, and I think you all already knew about time because you all have learned it in elementary. So I just want to start it. Time just divided in 12 hours and start from 1 2 3 until 12, and how to know the difference that the time is in morning, evening, or afternoon or night. We can use em and pm. We use em when the time in after 12 morning until 12 afternoon, and we use pm when the time is in after 12 afternoon until 12 morning. And about how to asking the time, we always use what time is it, and to answer it or telling the time, we can use it's it blah blah blah. For example, like we answer the question, how time, what time is it? We answer it, it's it 12 o'clock, or it's it 12 past 3, or is it 15 to 4. We can just answer like that. And today I don't want to tell about it, but I want to tell you about the difference from British style and American style in telling time. There are two ways to telling about time in English language. First, we can use British style, and second, we can use American style. The difference about English, British style and American style is British style is more complicated than American style. When we use British time, we must put the minute in front of the hours. But when you use American style, we can put the hours in front of the minute. For example, Indonesia jam 1:25. When we use British style, we speak like 25 past 1. But when we use American style, we can just speak 1 past 25. And then is another different from British style and American style. When we use British style, when the minutes are above 13 or above the half, we must use 2. We can just use past like in American style. For example, in Indonesia jam 12 jam 12:45 itu kan berarti jam 3:15. Nah, when we use British style, we can just speak 45 past 2. We can, but we must speak like 15 to 3 or a quarter to 3. But when we use American style, we can just speak 2 past 6:45. Then another difference from British style and American style is about when we use British style we have to use EM and PM because in British time just count from 1 until 12. But when we use American style we not have to use EM or PM. For example, in bahasa jam 8:30 malam. When we use British style, we have to speak like a half past 8 p.m. But when we use American style, we can just speak 20 past 30. Okay, friends, that's all I want to tell you about the time. Thank you for watching my video and